Guys, this is Eddie. I'm back out here today doing some restoration work. I'm going to be working on this today. It's I think it's made by Camellius, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah, there you go. Camellius out of New York. We're going to be restoring this today. I want to do some cleanup work on it. I've had it soaking in WD-40 as of right now. I want to get it on the wire brush. Try to get some of this rust off from it. Clean that up, and then I'll get back with you in just a second. Alright guys, we knocked a lot of the rust off from it. I'm going to put it on the belt grinder. Clean up his blades pretty good. The rust is off. It's just a lot of surface cleaning now. And I'll buff out the handle and get that all cleaned up, and it's be a nice little carry in your pocket. It's pretty decent. I just found this laying around my house. Probably some stuff that I had. Didn't know it. You know how that goes. But yep, that's what we're doing today. Just a little cleanup. It's a short video that I want to bring you guys along with. So hang with us and we'll get back with you. Alright guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some hand sanding. I tried it on the belt grinder. It's not doing too good over there. So I'm going to take and hand sand a lot of this out. And then I'll put an edge on it from the belt sander. Or we'll use our new tool for sharpening. See, it'll clean up. And I'll take this and then I'll take a finer piece of sandpaper, a finer grit, and do the final polish on it. I think it'll look pretty decent once we get done. Bringing a blade back to life. I think this is an old Electricians blade, if I'm not mistaken. They use these for when they're on their job and stuff. That's what I'm thinking anyways. Thinking that's what it is. If anybody knows, let me know. Drop it down in the description and tell me about it. You know what kind of knife this is. I know it's made by Camellius. Getting warm. I'm gonna turn my fan on. We'll clean up pretty good, guys. I think I really had an edge on it there. It's like a false edge. We may put one on there though. Looks pretty decent. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you back when I get it all done, and just wanted to bring you along for a little bit of it. I'll bring you back when I get it all done, and I'll show you what I got. Coming around, guys. Looks a lot better. 100% better than what it did. I'm going to focus in there. It's not going to focus in, but anyways. The blades are a lot cleaner than what they were. Some water on them where I dumped it. We'll get this thing on the buffer. Buff all the handle out. Buff the blades out and put some polish on her and she'll look good. So I'll get back with you. I'm back with the blade. Cleaned it up pretty good. Looks a lot better than what it did. It was pretty rough shape. Rusted all over. I let this thing soak in WD-40 overnight to get some of the rust off, but it cleaned up real good, man. And this is going to be carried in my pocket from now on. I need a pocket knife, and I didn't have one. Believe it or not, I didn't have no pocket knife. I had a real small, I think it was a buck knife or something like that. I can't remember, and I don't know what I did with it. But anyways, I'm gonna start packing this one in my pocket. Come out pretty decent, cleaned up good. So thank you guys for coming along with me on that. I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to throw it out there. I want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July, and y'all stay safe out there. Don't get into any trouble, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless everybody.